Hello everyone. Today we are going to start coding series, block coding series, and the first website we will going to explore for block coding is Scratch. Scratch is a very interesting tool, and with the help of coding, you can do simple animation and make games or animated stories. So you can do so much things with the help of coding, and it is very good for age group from 7 to 12 or 13 or above 13 also. Through block coding, basically we are trying to put the basic concept, fundamental concept of programming in teenagers, in children's, and it helped a lot even university students who are starting their programming journey. So it helps in university also for beginners to start programming. So let's start. This is a Scratch interface, and simply you are going to write Scratch on Google and click on scratchmit.edu link, and you will get this window. After that, you have to click start creating. Okay, this is Scratch interface, and this cat is the object on which you will going to apply the code, and with the help of code you can animate this cat, and in Scratch we call it sprite, and we have other objects, other sprite also you can add if you want to add any other sprite. You can see animals, people, fantasy, dance, music. So this is how you can add so many sprite according to your requirement. Okay, now this is for backdrop. Right now there is no backdrop added, but I will going to add it from here. And so we have number of backdrops here, and you can add any backdrop. So I'm choosing this one. Okay, now this is the backdrop. Choose a sprite, choose a backdrop. Now from here you can change the size of your sprite. Like if I make it 200, you can see the size is increasing. And similarly, if I change the if I want to change the direction of my sprite, so with the help of this you can easily change this. So this is for show. Now I'm again making it 100. Okay, now you can see this green flag, it is the play button, and this is the stop button. This is for full screen. And the main thing is, as you see that this sprite, I just select this sprite and click on costume tab, and you can see there are two costumes, and there is a sound tab also here. Now let's go back to the code tab, which is the most important one. So on code tab we have number of options. Motion, in motion, all the movement coding is here, and you can easily, if I drag, and this is the area where we're going to put your all the, can you see this, it's moving. Okay, and if I use this turn 15 degree, I can increase number of steps. I can increase number of turns or degree. I can make it 45 degree. Okay, so this is the motion tab. Now looks, simple, say hello. In motion, in looks there is a code, next, costume. Now let's see what it is going to do. Sorry, okay, acha, okay, I am just removing this so you can see what costume tab is doing. Let's make it 90°. Okay, and now you can see, can you see it's changing its costume? And as I told you, there are two costumes, this one and this one. So let's go back to code area. Now we have sound. You can add different sound here. And then events. Acha, this is the most important one. Can you see when green flag clicked? Now read the code like a story. When green flag click, next costume means it will going to, the sprite will going to change the costume, and then move 50 steps, say hello for 2 seconds. So when green flag click, when I will going to click this, okay, so can you see it is covering 50 steps. Now I don't want to click the green flag again and again. I want that this sprite will do at least 4 to 5 steps by itself. So I'll go to control, this is the control, and I'll choose repeat 10 times, or I can simply decrease the number of repeats. So this is how it will going to work, and this is a stop. Now bring it back. Okay, so as you can see, this is event tab, and from event tab you can choose, it's not necessary that all the time you will going to use this. When green flag click, we have other options when space bar key pressed. Mostly when we create games on Scratch, then we use these event code. Okay, and you can see if something is going fast and you want to make it slow, so you can have wait 1 second. You can put the number of seconds according to your requirement. It can be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 0.5 second. And forever loop means it will going to continue the thing again and again without any limit. And we have if then condition, then if then else condition, and after that we have sensing, operators, variables. Mostly we use these three for making games or different things like that. So this is the first introduction of Scratch, and student enjoy this a lot, whoever is trying to learn programming. So with the help of block coding, you can clear your programming concept, and it will help you a lot when you start your proper coding like Python or any other programming language.